Hey everybody, Chris Cotton, AutoFix-Auto Shop Coaching here. I wanted to get on here real quick and do a quick video on some things that I'm seeing with Indeed, some things I've learned just from posting and doing and then talking to people at Indeed. So a couple of things not to do. First of all, don't put an ad on there with a low budget thinking yourself saving yourself money. It's not going to do any good. Indeed works like Google AdWords now. If you have a low amount of dollars in there, it's going to time out at 10 a.m. in the morning, and nobody else is going to see your ad. So you might as well forget that right now. Number two, don't leave an ad on there for a long time. The longer you leave it on there, or the bigger the amount of time frame you leave it on there for, it's going to become stale. It goes into Indeed algorithms. You got to remember, nobody really works at Indeed, kind of like Google. The robots run everything. So if you have an ad that's been on there a long time, it's probably going to time out and the relevance is going to come down. Another thing is if you had an old ad in there from like a year ago and you just want to unpause it and turn it back on, don't do that. You need to make a fresh ad to keep it relevant. Um, and so one of the things I'm going to talk about here in just a minute to what to do for that. So you need to make sure that you don't just keep updating the same old ad that you've had from a year ago. So here's what I want you to do. Number one, I want you to go in there and I want you to make sure that your ad is not up for more than 14 days. 14 days is the max. Also, if you're hiring for a technician, a service advisor, something like that, your budget for every day needs to be about $80 to $100. You need to get in there, do it quick, short bursts, get it done. The people that will see it will go up because your dollar amount for the day stays up longer when people are looking, and it'll get more relevance. I've tried it, I've tested it out a couple different ways, and this for sure works. It's worked for me every time. Lastly, if you use a video talking about why you're awesome, why your company's awesome, why people should come work for you, the data on it's about 30% more people will click on your ad if it has a video. So again, short bursts, 14 days, $80 to $100 a day for that. And know that you may not or should not be spending that much depending on what area you're in, but you could. And if that's what it costs to get the hire of your dreams or a perfect fit for your culture, then it is what it is. That's what you got to do. Third, video. Do a quick video, make it nice, who you are, why they should come work for you, walk them around the shop, highlight what's great about you, and share it, get it out there. So those are my tips on how to use Indeed better for hiring people. I hope you've gotten something out of it. Again, Chris Cotton, AutoFix Auto Shop Coaching. Have a great day, everybody.